Maybe this is the end of using IDEs and code editors. Just go to your GitHub repo, open an issue for a feature request or a bug fix, give clear requirements, and that's it. Your task gets done automatically in just a few minutes. I've built something that feels like magic for developers. It's a smart Python tool that connects GitHub issues with LLMs to actually read, understand, and fix your codebase, all by itself. No manual edits. No jumping into your IDE. Just open an issue and let the automation take over. It uses GitHub Webhooks and GitHub MCP server to interact with your codebase. Here's where the magic happens. Imagine collaborating with your codebase like you're chatting with a teammate. No context switching, no manual tinkering. This is just the beginning. I see a future where development workflows are AI augmented, where writing code manually becomes optional. It's not just about speed, it's about a mindset shift. A shift from doing to guiding, from coding to communicating. With tools like this, we're stepping into a world where repos evolve by conversation and not by commits.